Quality has been our philosophy since day one of our establishment in 1990. We are NTA Machining. We are one of the pioneers in manufacturing high volume and high precision shafts and components parts for automotive, office automation, power tools, electronics, audio, video, and medical industries. NTA Machining is owned by Nihon Seiki Kogyo from Japan, with 2 other subsidiary companies located in Thailand and Indonesia. Penang, the Silicon Valley of the East. This is where we house over 200 machines that can perform various turning processes and supporting processes from diameter 1 millimeter to diameter 34 millimeter of products. With our advanced machinery's performance in precision manufacturing, we have the capabilities to meet customer expectation in the ever-changing and competitive environment. At NTA Machining, we are dedicated to the principles of continuous improvement and quality management from process design and specification through manufacturing and inspection process. Our products are manufactured using the best quality raw material and mainly originated from Japan. We tested our products with stringent quality control measures to ensure only the best products reach our customers. With over 30 years of experience in the precision shaft industry, we have manufactured and delivered our products to Asia Pacific, Europe, and America. We are constantly pushing boundaries and exploring technology through innovative ways. At NTA Machining, we always deliver beyond our customers' expectations.